Yes, very good morning, students. Yes, a very good morning, everyone. I hope you people can hear me. Am I
Good
audible?
morning, sir.
Good morning, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, all the three section students, A, B, C
Good
people.
morning,
Good morning,
sir.
everyone. Students, we shall
Yes, sir.
we shall continue today's ongoing topic, which is arithmetic progression. Some questions are there. The concept for AP is very simple and very same, just like it was in class 10th, that any AP can be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, etc. Its nth term can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D, and its sum of first n terms is given by n by 2 into twice A plus n minus 1 into D, right? And then a simple concept of arithmetic mean also we saw, that if A, B, C are in AP, then B is called as arithmetic mean of A and C. And note that B is equal to A plus C whole upon 2. And not only for three numbers this concept is there, even for any number. Suppose there are numbers like A1, A2, A3, A4 are in AP, suppose up to AN. If this is an AP, then these all up to n minus 1, they are called as arithmetic means between A1 and AN, right? So arithmetic mean is not only limited to three numbers, it is valid up to entire AP. So this is, let us move towards the next question. Someone read the next question. Ayavant, will you read the next question? Perhaps question, till which question yesterday we discussed, students? Ayavant, can you listen me?
7.
Till 7th.
Yes, sir.
Ayavant, till which question we discussed yesterday, and what is the next topic of discussion today? Next question of discussion today?
Sir?
I'm asking which question should be discussed today?
11.
Question number
Some
11.
disturbance is coming. I am
Okay.
not able to hear.
Okay. Correct the issues. Tanmay, Meena, can you tell?
Yes.
Yesterday in the class of exercise 9.2, we discussed till which question? Probably
10.
9th or 10th, I think.
Sir, 8 up to 8, it was completed, and 9,
Eh,
10th was
Eight.
assigned as
Okay.
Till
homework.
8.
Up to 8th we discussed, completed. Question number 9th. Tanmay, Meena, will you read question number 9th?
Sir, 9th, 10th was assigned as homework yesterday.
Correct, you remember. I think you people must be able to solve 9th and 10th also. Is there any problem? Should we discuss? Or I hope you people can do. 11th one. Tanmay, can you read 11th?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Some of the first P, Q, and R terms of an AP are A, B, and C respectively. Prove that A upon P into Q minus R plus B upon Q into R minus P plus P upon R into P minus Q is equal to 0.
Okay. So we have been given that these terms uh, Pth, Qth and Rth terms of an AP are given, which are A, B and C. तो पहले AP तो assume कर लें. This Pth term is given A, Qth term is given B and Rth term is given C. Okay. So I will write Pth term formula by using term n formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. But if you see, this small a is used for some other meaning, for as a pth term. So first term don't use as a small a. This is good. This is notable thing, that let the AP is, first I will assume the AP, let the AP is, I'll use capitals, capital A uppercase plus comma A plus capital D comma A plus capital 2D comma etc. Right. So this is notable thing. Often we make a mistake and we use this small a as first term, which create further complications. This is now three things are given. Pth term is small a. It will be
Sum,
a.
Sir, they are some of the PS
sum,
and PS.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
sum of
they
the first PQ and R terms.
Sum. It's not n term. It's sp
It's
is
a sum.
given. Okay. Sorry.
Sum.
Sorry. This is not term p is given. In the question, it is sum of first p terms. SQ and SR is given. Okay, no problem. SP formula I will apply. SN formula I hope you remember. SN is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So this SP will be p by 2, right? P at terms p by 2. 2 first term 2 into capital A plus p minus 1 into d. Okay, let it be equation 1. Similarly, equation 2 will be q upon q terms q upon 2 into 2 capital A plus q minus 1 into d. Let it be equation 2, and let's SR will be r upon 2 2a plus r minus 1 into d. Let it be equation number 3. So, and we have to show what? Tanmay, what we have to show? We have to prove something. What we have to prove?
A into Q minus R upon P.
A into q minus
Q
r
minus
upon p.
R upon P plus B into R minus P upon Q plus C into P minus Q upon R. 0 is
Equal
equal
to
to 0.
0. I have to bring it equal to 0. So suggest to students how to do it. Given to show. How to proceed. I think this A and B and C value can be substituted here. Or A upon P can be obtained from here. Right. So begin with this. It will come, I hope. You also can start in your notebooks. And very easily you can put the value of this lowercase a upon p will be 1 by 2 2a plus p minus 1 into d, and q minus r is remaining. Q minus r should be written, plus b upon q is half 2a plus q minus 1 into d into this quantity r minus p, okay, plus c upon r from here. C upon r will be half 2a plus r minus 1 into d into multiplied with p minus q as it is. Now I have to simplify. So you have to multiply it completely. See, two terms are here and q minus r is also here. This to be multiplied, right? Then 2 into 2 cancelled. A into q minus r plus p minus 1 into d into q minus r, and similarly further more terms will come. I am jumping the step and I have assumed that I have written that step, and now this a terms will be there and d containing terms will be there. So I am going to take a common. If I take, what will I get? From this term I'll get 2 cancel, a into q minus r, a common, then q minus r will come, plus from this term 2 get cancelled and a into r minus p, a is out, so r minus p will come, plus a into p minus q will come. This is right. Keep remember your target, keep in mind कि आपको लाना क्या है, what you have to bring finally, right? This is now what more will come. D terms will also be there, right? From first term half d into p minus 1 into q minus r. From second term half q minus 1 into d into r minus p. I think d by 2 will be common. So take d by 2 out, common, and in the bracket you will have, can you tell me how much? Can someone tell me how much will be there from first bracket? How much will be there if I take d by 2 common? Students, बोलो बोलो, huh? Sub silent. You'll get p minus 1 into q minus r, है ना? Plus from second bracket you'll get q minus 1 into r minus p, okay? Plus from the third bracket you'll get r minus 1 into p minus q. This is. Now let us simplify and let us see whether it will be 0 or not. This will become q minus q, p minus p and r minus r. This is 0 plus d by 2 and completely let us multiply. This will be pq minus pr, pq minus pr minus q plus r, minus q plus r, okay? Then next it will be qr minus pq, qr minus pq minus r plus p, plus this will be pr minus qr minus p plus q, right? I hope these also will get cancelled completely. pq minus pq minus pr plus pr, qr minus qr minus q plus q minus p plus p minus r plus r, everything get cancelled and it goes to 0, which we wanted to bring. So if you see, this is there is no problem, I think. If you only care you have to take in multiplying. If you could not understand this step, you can multiply it completely first. Hardly 1 minute or 2 minutes it will take. You can multiply everything completely. Then after you can take a common and d by 2 common, right? But it will come very, very easily. So this was question number 11th. Let us see the next question, question 12th. Gauravi Gupta, will you read question number 12th?
Yes, sir.
Gauravi, this question you solved? Tell me
Yes, sir.
Tell me the work status, Gauravi. In your notebook, which exercise you are doing? Your previous work? Tell me.
Sir, it is completed till 11 question you are doing.
Okay, good, good, good. Next, please read.
Yes, sir. The ratio of the sum of n, m and n terms of an AP is m squares to n square.
Okay.
Show that the ratio of mth and n term is 2m minus 1 is to 2n minus 1.
Okay. So Sm upon Sn is given. M square upon M square, N square, right? And what
Yes,
they are
sir.
asking? They are asking Tm upon Tn. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Of an AP. So first of all, I should
No,
assume.
sir, sir, we have to show that the ratio of mth and n term is 2n minus 1 is to 2n minus 1.
Okay, this we have to bring. Let us begin.
Yes, sir.
Let us start, students. Students, can you suggest how to proceed? आपके माइंड में कुछ चल रहा है, कैसे हम इसको शुरू करें? Let me assume the AP first. कुछ आपके माइंड में चल रहा है तो आप मुझसे शेयर कर सकते हैं कि इसको कैसे इजीली लाया जाए, प्रूव किया जाए. Let the AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and etc. This is given, right? It should be very clear what is given and what to show. So often writing explicitly like this helps. So yes. So this is given, Sm upon Sn is m square upon n square. Let us begin from the given statements. This is given. मैं Sm और Sn को एक्सपेंड करके उनका फॉर्मूला लिखने जा रहा हूं. M will be m by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d whole upon n by 2. 2a plus n minus 1 into, no, this is m, right? This is m minus 1 into d, this is n minus 1 into d is m square upon n square, है ना स्टूडेंट्स? देखते रहे ना, मुझे प्लीज सजेस्ट करना, मुझे सब याद नहीं कि करना क्या है इसमें. 2 get cancelled, m, 1 m get cancelled, 1 n get cancelled, and it will be finally 2a plus m minus 1 into d whole upon 2a plus n minus 1 into d equals to m upon n. So what next should we do? I have to bring Tm upon Tn. Tm is a plus m minus 1 into d, and Tn is a plus n minus 1 into d, and we are getting this quantity. You can divide by 2 and you can replace this m by a certain suitable quantity. That can be one way, or the other simple way is that you can cross multiply. In any way you can do. Let us cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, you will get 2an plus m minus 1 into d into n is equal to 2am plus n minus 1 into d into m. Okay, now let us take common. 2a is common, and here n minus m I will get, n minus m plus d common. If you take, you will get n into m minus 1 minus m into n minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so 2a n minus m plus d multiplied mn minus n minus mn plus m equal to 0. Mn get cancelled, and here I get m minus n, that I will shift on the other side. So 2a into n minus m is equal to d into n minus m. Can I cancel n minus m? I should ensure that they should be non-zero. Of course m not equal to n, right? Otherwise no meaning of proving this or giving this statement, right? So of course m not equal to n, so it can be cancelled both the sides. So 2a is equal to d. So here I get the value of d. I think now we can start with this Tm upon Tn. Now Tm upon Tn, term m formula, you can use a plus m minus 1 into d whole upon a plus n minus 1 into d. I have to bring this quantity. तो ये जो information हमें मिली है इसका use कर लेते हैं, right? So better to put d value. D you replace with 2a. है ना? What next, students? Simplify.
Sir, A can be taken as common.
बिल्कुल, a can be taken as common and deleted. And a common and deleted, then 1 plus m minus 1 into 2 whole upon 1 plus n minus 1 into 2, and this is the same thing which you want to prove. This will be 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1, the ratio of mth term and nth term, right? So very easily it is, है ना? तो इस क्वेश्चन, इन सभी क्वेश्चन में प्रॉपर एक पैटर्न है कि रीड द क्वेश्चन, राइट द गिवन स्टेटमेंट. नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए गिवन स्टेटमेंट जो कुछ है ना? तो आपको एकदम माइंड क्लियर करने में हेल्प मिलती है. और नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए व्हाट यू हैव टू शो, देन थिंक दैट हाउ टू ब्रिज दैट गैप. स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द गिवन स्टेटमेंट एंड थिंक हाउ टू ब्रिंग जो आपको प्रूव करना है ना स्टूडेंट्स? Let me take the help of Chetan Gupta. Will you read the next question? Question number 13th, Chetan. Chetan, are you listening me from C section? Karthik Srivastav? Karthik Srivastav from
Yes,
C
sir.
section. Karthik, please read the next question, question number 13th, and suggest me कि कैसे करें.
If the sum of n terms of an AP,
Yes.
if the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n, and its mth term is 164, find the value of m.
Your suggestion, how to begin?
सर इसमें S1 तो 8 हो जाएगा और जो कॉमन डिफरेंस होगा वो 6 हो जाएगा.
1 minute. S1 will be 8 by putting n equal to 1. Very nice.
और वही A1 होगा सर.
And this will be A actually. This will be A, term 1 actually. Then I have to get term 2. तो term 2 शायद आप S2 minus S1 करके निकालोगे. Am I right?
सर कॉमन डिफरेंस 6.
कॉमन डिफरेंस कैसे? पहले टर्म 2 निकालना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट है ना?
यस सर.
तो उसके लिए मुझे S2 minus S1 करना पड़ेगा. S2 will be how much? Here only I'll calculate. S2 will be 3 into 4 plus 5 into 2. 12 plus 10, 22. So 22 minus 8. कितना? 14 है ना? 14. Term 2 is 14. So D. Difference will be T2 minus T1. And T2 minus T1 means 14 minus 8, 6. So I have got B, I have got A, and now whatever you have to find actually M. So term M is given. Yeah, students. Yes, this is. Now term M is given 164. Let us expand this term M formula. Term M is 164. A plus M minus 1 into D is equal to 164. A is 8 plus M minus 1 into 6 equals to 164. M minus 1 into 6. ये क्वेश्चन इतने सिंपल लग रहे होंगे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स को. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स सोच रहे होंगे कि हम क्यों सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, ये तो खुद से ही करनी चाहिए, है ना? और ये बात सच भी है कुछ हद तक. 164 minus 8 कितना? 156 है ना? 156. Then M minus 1 will be equal to 6 2s are 12, 36, 6 4 जा नहीं 6 6 जा 36. M equal to 27, right? This is simple. तो मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि हमें पता नहीं है ना कि कौन सा क्वेश्चन सिंपल है कौन सा नहीं है. And there may be many students who have some doubts. So it is always good to not to take any chance. Let us discuss maximum questions which are possible. Edwin Joseph, I can see you. Edwin, will you read the next question, 14th?
Yes, sir.
Edwin, I missed you in my previous classes. You were not there.
Okay, sir. Question number 14.
देखो बात चेंज कर दी. मेरी बात का जवाब नहीं दिया तुमने. हैं? 14th.
सर थोड़ा तबीयत खराब था सर.
वो तो सबका.
थोड़ा फीवर था.
Okay. 14th. Okay.
Sir, insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26 such that the resulting sequence is an AP.
5 numbers I have to insert between 8 and 26 so that the resulting sequence is an AP. है ना? Correct? This is an AP. So let the numbers are A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and this is an AP. Then 26 will be which th term? 26 will be which th term, students?
7th.
7th term. You can count even 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. Obviously, it will be 7th term. Expand this T7. Use this A plus N minus 1 into D. because A I have, from here I will get D. So D will be how much? 3. D will be 3.
3.
D will be 3. I have D, I have A, then whatever you wish you can do, because I have to find the numbers. So numbers will be, A1 will be 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3 will be a next term, sir. A2, A2 will be 11 plus 3, A3 will be 14 plus 3, A4, A5, ठीक है, correct? Then 23 plus 3 will be 26, the last term. So this is an AP. These 5 terms here we call arithmetic means between 8 and 26. Correct? Yes. Let us move towards the next question. Vedant Kedar, will you read the next question? Vedant from C section, will you read the next question? 15th? No, he is not there in the class. Ayush Goswami, Chetan Gupta and Mohammad Abid, any one of these 3. Will you read the next question? Ayush Goswami, Mohammad Abid and Chetan Gupta. Yes, Sumit, you can.
If an plus bn,
If
Please, anyone read.
if
a to power
an plus
n plus
bn
b to the
divided by
power
an
n
minus 1 plus bn minus 1 is the
upon
arithmetic mean between
a
a and b,
power n minus
then
1
find the
plus
value
b
of
power
n.
n minus 1 is the am between a and b, then find the value of n.
Okay.
Sir, you had written that wrong.
an plus bn whole upon an minus 1 plus b raised to power n minus 1, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Equal to am between a and b. Equal to am between a and b. This information is given to me. We have to analyze it and we have to bring the value of n. This is the question. So I feel there is no doubt about it that I should write the value of am between a and b. Arithmetic mean, in beginning only we revised that am between a and b will be a plus b whole upon 2. So a plus b whole upon 2. Okay. मुझे और कुछ दिखता नहीं है इसके अलावा कि क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई will only work, I think. तो करा दीजिए क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. This will be 2a to power n plus 2b to power n equal to, multiply 2 terms and 2 terms will generate 4 terms. So 4 terms will be a to power n plus a b raised to power n minus 1 plus b a raised to power n minus 1 plus b raised to power n. Right. Now let me simplify. 2 into a to power n minus a to power n will be a to power n, right, plus b 2b to power n minus b to power n will be b to power n equals to a b n minus 1 plus b a n minus 1. Further, more common is available. Yes, a to power n and b into a to power n minus 1. These two terms, if you see, what is the common?
A to power n.
A to power n minus 1, smaller number, smaller power. So n minus 1 is smaller. So a raised to power n minus 1 is common inside the bracket a, and this will come in the left side. So minus b will come, and equal to that side b raised to power n minus 1. If you take common here, you will get a, and this b to power n will go that side, minus b will remain. This is okay. A minus b I can see from both the sides. So a minus b can be cancelled if, can someone tell me, can I cancel a minus b? Students, can I cancel a minus b?
Yes, sir, because A not equal to B.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I should ensure a not equal to b. Note that I cannot cancel 0 terms from both the sides, है ना? Cancellation of 0 is not allowed, right? Otherwise anything absurd equations you will get, है ना? If cancellation of 0 is allowed, then anything can be proved. So cancellation of 0 is not allowed, right? Division of 0 by 0 is not valid actually. But here it will be valid because A is not equal to B, so A minus B is non-zero quantity, cancel it. And as you cancel, you get A raised to power n minus 1 is equal to B raised to power n minus 1, and at the same time A not equal to B. So when these two numbers are equal and their bases are unequal, it is possible only in one case, right? You can think about it. 2 raised to power x equals to 3 raised to power x, then there is only one chance that x must be 0. Otherwise it is never possible. So when bases are different, having same powers and the whole quantity is same, this is possible only in one case, when the exponent itself is 0. So this concludes only one thing, that the exponent
n is equal to 1.
is 0 and n equal to 1. N equal to 1 is the solution, I feel. So इस पूरे सॉल्यूशन को अगर आप एनालिसिस करें कि क्या इस पे कुछ विशेष ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है, तो AP आपने थोड़ा भी पढ़ा है तो इस लाइन में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, राइटिंग AM बिटवीन A एंड B, और बाकी खेल तो बस आप कॉन्फिडेंस रख के एक बार क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर डालिए और उसका पूरी तरह से एनालिसिस करके आपको लास्ट में कंक्लूजन अपने आप मिल जाएगा. तो I don't feel that any special attention is needed on this. Pranjal Nahar, will you read the next question? 16th. Pranjal?
Yes, sir.
Pranjal Nahar, 16th question, please read.
Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way that the resulting sequence is an AP, and the ratio of 7th and m minus 1 numbers is 5:9.
Pranjal, can you repeat the question?
Yes, sir. Between 1 and 31, m numbers have been inserted in such a way.
One minute. M numbers have been inserted. Let me write these m numbers as A1 and A2 and A3 and up to AM, such that resulting sequence is an AP. Next.
And the ratio of 7th and m minus 1th 7th and m minus 1th numbers is 5:9.
So I have a doubt whether the 7th number is 7th number or 7th term.
So it is written numbers, the ratio of 7th and m minus 1
numbers. And numbers word only they use for these things. So I think this must be A7 and AM minus 1, and this ratio is given as
5:9.
5:9. M का वैल्यू निकालना है, करेक्ट?
Yes, sir.
ओके, लेट अस बिगिन. तो मुझे बस इतना डाउट आया कि ये जो रेशियो मुझे 5/9 गिवन है, ये A7 अपॉन M minus 1 है या टर्म 7 अपॉन टर्म माइनस 1. बट बिकॉज अभी डाउट क्लियर हो गया, बिकॉज नंबर्स वर्ड का यूज किया है and the numbers word they used for these things also. So this only must be given. This is given statement and M is to be calculated. This is the question. So let us analyze this. A7 upon AM minus 1 is equal to 5/9. You tell me, students, this A7 will be which nth term?
Sir, 8th term.
8th term, because A1 is second term. A1 is term 2. A2 is term 3, A3 is term 4. So you can make a guess. 3 है यहाँ पे, तो यहाँ पे 1 more 4 है. So if it is A7, it must be term 8 divided by this must be term M is equal to 5/9. इसके आगे की कहानी आसान है. Put the value of term 8, which will be A plus 7D whole upon term M, which is A plus M minus 1 into D, is equal to 5/9. Some more information must be given to you. A is given but D I don't know. मैं इसको यहीं पे छोड़ रहा हूँ. मुझे A और D पहले निकाल लेने देते हैं, उसके बाद बाकी बातें करेंगे. क्या मुझे d मिलेगा यहाँ से? नहीं मिलेगा d, वो भी m के टर्म्स में आएगा। बेहतर है मैं यहाँ पे a की वैल्यू पुट करता हूँ, उसके बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है। सो 1 plus 7d whole upon 1 plus m minus 1, m I don't know, so as it is, m you keep equal to 5 upon 9, cross multiply. So if you cross multiply, yes Garima Salvi, you want to say something? Garima, you raised hand, anything? 9 plus 63d is equal to 5 plus 5m minus 1 into d. So 4 is equal to 4 plus 63d is equal to 5 into m minus 1 into d. D, what should be d? This is equation 1, है ना? क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं इसको as it is छोड़ रहा हूँ. Then 31 will be which nth term?
m plus 1 term.
Yes, note that because till here m, this am will be
m plus
1 nth term.
term.
Then this 31 will be m plus 2
m plus 2
2th term. Note that term m plus 2 is 31. It means that a plus m plus 1 into d is equal to 31, and here I am going to put the value of a, which is 1 plus m plus 1 into d is equal to 31. It means that m plus 1 into d is 30. So d will be 30 upon m plus 1. D will be 30 upon m plus 1. This I am going to put in equation 1. So from 1, that was equation 1, 1 plus 63, and d value you can substitute. 30 upon m plus 1 is equal to 5 m minus 1 into 30 upon m plus 1. All well? I don't know. Throw out multiplying with m plus 1. Students, help, how to do? Is it possible to simplify? Students, is it possible to simplify?
Sir, it is coming somewhat 11.9 or something.
But m cannot be fractional. मैंने कुछ गलती की है.
Sir, there will be 150 plus.
Sir, it should be 1894 plus 150, not minus 150.
Oh, I'm sorry. मैंने this should be 1 plus 150. I'm sorry. So this will be 4. 9 plus 5 is 4. Then 0 and 2. 2094. Is this? No, 2044. Yeah, 2044 divided by 146. It will be 1022. Students?
Sir, 14.
क्या?
Sir, it is 14.
14 कहाँ पर?
Sir, last answer 14 है.
This answer will be 14. Is this right? 14 3s are 42. Is this right, students? Just check it. Is this right, students? Huh? Please check it.
Yes, sir, it's right.
Yes. Right. Right now the time is 47. 10:47 is, but still one or two questions are remaining. Can we take? I think we can take. 17th question. A man starts repaying a loan as first installment of rupees 100. If he increases the installment by 5 every month, what amount he will pay in 30th installment? 17th one hints only leaving for you. Please complete. First installment was 100 and second installment will be 5 every month is increased. So next will be 105, next will be 110. Then what will be 30th installment? I think term 30 they are asking. Am I right? Huh? As 30 the term 30 only they must be asking. That you can find out. 18th question. Let us see very quickly. Let us conclude it so that this exercise will get completed. Somebody please read 18th question. Tanmay Khilar, will you read question 18th? Tanmay?
Yes, sir.
Will you read
Yes,
question
sir.
18th? Yes, please. The last question.
Yes, sir.
Please.
The difference between any two consecutive interior angles of a polygon is 5 degree.
Okay.
If the smallest angle is 120 degree, find the number of sides of the polygon.
Okay, so smallest angle is 120, then difference is 5. So next will be 125, 130, etc. Suppose n terms are there, right? Then let there are n sides or angles, whatever. Let there are n sides. Then how to do it? Students, there is a formula. Yes.
1 into n minus 2 is equals to Sn.
Sn will be equal to
180 into n.
180 into, yeah, there is a formula for sum of all angles. 180 into 180 into
n minus 2.
n minus 2. So let us find the sum of all n terms by AP formula and by geometry formula. One more, that sum of all angles, that formula is there, and compare them. This is n minus 2 into 180 degree, and let us solve it. So this is going to be n by 2 into 240 minus 5. 240 minus 5 is 235 plus 5n is equal to n minus 2 into 180. 5 common, I'll take 5n by 2 in the bracket. I'll have 5 for the 25 7 35 plus n is equal to n minus 2 into 180. 5 से कट कर रहा हूँ. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 30. This is going to be 47n plus n square equal to 2, bringing this side 36 into 2, 72 minus 72 into 2, 144. So this is going to be n square plus 47n minus 72n plus 144 equal to 0. This is how much, students? N square minus 5, 6 minus 4, 2. 25n plus 144 equal to 0. Factorize, students. Can you tell me what should be the factor of this?
16 9.
16 and 9. Right. N minus 16, n minus 9 equal to 0. So n is here 9 or 16. Both answers acceptable or not? Students, if you see term, one more work we'll do. Term 9, if you see, it will be 120 plus 8 into 5 8 into 5 is 40. 40 plus 20 is
160.
160.
160.
अभी देखो और आगे बढ़ते हैं. Term 10 you find. Term 10 if you find, it will be 120
165.
plus 9 into 5. 120 plus 45. 120 plus 45 is
165.
165. Or let me find term 16th better. Term 16 if I find, it will be 120 plus 15 into 5. 120 plus 75.
195.
195. So I think probably term 15 will be 190, term 14th will be 185, and term 13th will be 180. This is the problem here. Note that in a polygon, 180 degree angle no vertex will have. It's something like two sides overlapped together, है ना? Or in a same line. This will never be possible. So discarding this will not be possible. Discard it. This is acceptable answer. Thank you, students. Here we conclude for this session for mathematics class today. I request each and everyone to register your presence in Google Classroom through comment. Do not make a separate post. I have seen some students make a separate post, but in the comment only please make, and